So I've had this bowling pin for going on like 15 years or so. This came from the bowling alley that I used to bowl at. I was in a bowling league when I was like 15 or so. It's just been sitting around, and I've got a set of antlers, so why not combine them? You see where this is going, guys. So let's see if it works. I have no clue if it's gonna look good or if it's gonna look really cheesy, but hey, it's always worth a try. Okay, so this is actually really hard, and by hard I mean like it's really hard. It's actually hard. Obviously it's a bowling pin, so they make these things out of very strong wood, and it's really hard to work on. Plus, I don't necessarily have the best tools to work on a block of wood like this. And third, it's really hard to hold this thing down to work on. But we will continue, see what happens. Okay, one Home Depot trip later, and maybe some of this stuff will work. Okay, so it is day 3, and I have a little bit of time before I have to put my kids down to bed. So I'm gonna get whatever I can done this evening. Now, the challenge at this point is to make it still remain its bowling pin personality, and yet take on a non-tacky deer skull personality. So, not sure if I can pull it off. I think I'm going to gouge out the eye sockets right now and see if that maybe makes it look a little better. And I present to you Mr. Pinhead. Yeah, he actually turned out better than I thought it would. If I do it again, I will definitely do a few things different. These things are super hard, definitely hard to work with, but I got through it, and I think it looks pretty good. But let me know what you think of it in the comments. I do appreciate that. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, I want to say a quick thank you to Paul Fulmer for leaving a 5-star review on my Facebook page. He said, "Just awesome. Your way of teaching your craft is a gift. I'm looking to do some skull carving and ran across your YouTube videos. Wow, very informative and inspiring. Thanks." Well, thank you, Paul. I do appreciate you leaving that review. I absolutely love teaching, so it's cool that you guys like it as well. And I did want to say thank you as well to a few people who left some comments this past few weeks. Christopher Cat Fine Art, Brandy Rummel, thank you, Brandy, Travis James Stevens, and David Gastaldo. Thank you, David, or David. You guys can leave a comment below. I love talking to you guys, and thanks again for watching. All right, guys, see you in the next video.